of the words that we spell are going to have the sound oi. We use the letters O, Y at the end of a word when you hear oi at the end of a word. So we'll say that, we'll say oi at the end of a word. When you hear oi in the middle of the word, it's spelled O-I in the middle or beginning of the word. Oi, like in coin or oil. So all of your words today are going to have this spelling pattern. So go ahead and if you have your whiteboard, use your whiteboard. We're going to make our game board just like we did at school. And you're going to draw a line down the middle and across the middle. And we'll do 4 words at a time, practicing the spelling pattern. The first word is the word boy. B-oy. Go ahead and write it. Boy. B-oy. Underline your oi. Next word, soy. Do you drink soy milk? Soy. Write it. Say the sounds. S, oi. Underline your oi. Next word, toy. It's fun to get a new toy. Toy. Say the sounds. T, oi. Write it. T, oi. Underline the oi. The last word, joy. Do you have joy today? Joy. Say the sounds. J, oi. Write it. J, oi. Underline the spelling pattern for the week. So in the class, we take turns reading the words back. It's important to both encode, which means to say the sounds and write them, and decode, which means to see the sounds and read them. So we would take turns, all the kids practicing reading a word and erasing that word that we said. So I'll just read a word to you and you're going to erase the word that I say. Find soy. Erase it. So then students would find just the word that we're talking about. Erase it. Find toy. Erase it. Find joy. Erase it. And then the last word on your game board should be boy. Erase it. So the lines can still be there, and we'll go ahead and do the next 4 words. The next 4 words are going to be a different spelling pattern. We're going to have oi in the middle of the word. So let's begin with the word soil. Now listen, this word has more sounds. S, oi, ul, soil. So we want to represent all 3 sounds. Listen for the sounds. S, oi, in the middle of a word. So we spell it with this one. Ul, soil. So we'll underline our spelling pattern, but we also stop and talk and notice, in addition to just the phonogram, to just the 2 vowels saying oi, we'll talk about the whole ending of the word soil, oil. There's a word hiding in here, and the word is oil. So we might pause and think, like, what other words rhyme with oil? Soil, toil, recoiled. So the kids will brainstorm. But what we want them to notice is, in addition to the spelling pattern for the week, that we can also learn and replicate larger chunks of spelling patterns, which are called word families. So we're going to stay in the oil word family for a while, and we're going to just listen for a new beginning sound. The next word is coil. Listen. Oil. Listen for the sounds. Oil. It's the small k. So coil is like a little spring or a little wire for electricity. Coil. Oi in the middle of the word. Coil. Next, boil. B-oil. Listen for the sounds. B-oil. Write it. B-oil. You'll notice that it's the same ending for these words. Next, foil. Do you have aluminum foil in your house? Foil. Oil. Foil. Write it. Oi in the middle of the word. Foil. Good. Find boil and erase it. Find soil and erase it. Find foil and erase it. Find coil and erase it. Okay, last set. We have two more words that are in the same word family as coil and foil. So let's continue with that spelling pattern first. Our next words are broil. You can cook in your oven if you choose broil. This word has a beginning blend, so make sure you hear both the letters in the beginning blend. Oil. Broil. Write it. Oil. Underline our new spelling pattern. Broil. Spoil. Make sure you don't spoil your dinner by eating too many snacks. Spoil. This one has another beginning blend, so listen for the two sounds that I'm saying. Sp, 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 oil, spoil. Write it. Sp, oil. Underline oi. Our last two words have a different ending, so let's listen and see if we can figure this one out. The next word is coin. Can I borrow coin for the candy machine? Coin. K, the small k, oi, n. So let's listen for those. I hear three sounds. K, oi, n. K, oi, n. And our last word today, join. Did you want to join the club? J, oi, n. Write it. J, oi, n. Underline. Good. Find spoil and erase it. Find coin and erase it. Find broil and erase it. find, join, and erase it. Great. Now what we're going to do, you can stay on your whiteboard. I just don't have space on mine, or you can find another piece of paper. We're going to practice some of the words that we just wrote, and we're going to write a sentence. We usually end our word study with a dictation, and a dictation is when you dictate a sentence to the students, give them time to write it. We're also practicing conventions around capital letter at the beginning, period at the end, or punctuation at the end. Proper letters, lowercase letters for all the other letters, no mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, and proper spacing of the words. So I would dictate a sentence to the students and be checking on a regular basis for the conventions that we were working on during our writing time. So today's sentence is, the boy lost his coins and toys in the soil. The boy lost his coins and toys in the soil. So students just begin writing, and I keep repeating it, and I'll also show you some tricks for remembering how many words. So I would use some spaces for my sentence, and I would show the kids. The boy lost his coins and toys in the soil. The boy lost his coins and toys in the soil. I'll give you a minute to write the sentence, pause the video here, and when you come back, we'll work out the sentence together, and you can check if you wrote your words correctly. Let's check it. The boy. I need to start with a capital T because I'm starting a new sentence, so make sure your T is capital. All the others are lowercase. The, nice spacing, 2 finger spaces. Boy, B. Which one? It's at the end, so I'm using oi at the end of the word. The boy lost. I can hear all the sounds in lost, so I am going to stretch it out as I write it. S, t. The boy lost his. Is. I know how to write the word is. Easy. Is. The boy lost his coins. Oi. This is the one that we just practiced with our oi. So let's figure this out. Oins. So I hear oi in the middle of the word. Oi. Hey, he must have lost more than 1 coin. The boy lost his coins and, I know how to write and. The boy lost his coins and toys. Oi. I hear oi in the middle, but I'm not going to let it trick me because I know toys begins with the word toy. So I'm going to use oi. Adding S on the end doesn't change the spelling of the word, the root word. So we're going to just add the S. The boy lost his coins and toys in, easy, the, T-H-E spells the, soil. Oil. Soy. This one's O-I. Soil. Okay, I'm almost done. I need a period at the end of my sentence. So check your spelling, check your sentences. Couple things to look for. Make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning. Make sure there's good spacing between all your words. Every letter should be a lowercase letter, no uppercase letters mixed in. Make sure all your letters are going the right direction. Check your S's. Check your D's. Check your E's. And make sure you have an end punctuation at the end. All right. Well, thanks. That's today's word study lesson. This week, you're going to keep practicing your oi and oi sound.